I'm going to read the questions and the answers to you for the quiz. At any point, you can pause the video and rewind if you need to hear anything again. Question number 1. What plate boundary is shown below? A. Convergent, B. Transform, D. Divergent. Question 2. What plate boundary is shown below? A. Convergent, B. Transform, C. Divergent. Question 3. What plate boundary is shown below? A. Divergent, B. Convergent, C. Transform. Question number 4. The changes in Earth's crust is due to movement of the plates. What is the force that drives this process? A. Conduction currents, B. Radiation currents, C. Convection currents. Question number 5. The geologic feature identified in red is referred to as A. Trench, B. Mid-ocean ridge, C. Subduction zone. Question number 6. The geologic feature the red arrow is pointing to is referred to as A. Subduction zone, B. Mid-ocean ridge, C. Rift Valley. Question number 7. The geologic event the circles are showing is referred to as in blank. A. Rift Valley, B. Trench, C. Earthquake. Question number 8. The geologic process shown by the red arrows is referred to as A. Subduction, B. Uplift, C. Rift Valley. Question number 9. The geologic feature the red arrow is pointing to is referred to as a blank. A. Mid-ocean ridge, B. Mountains, C. Volcanoes. Question number 10. The geologic process the red arrow is pointing to is referred to as a blank. A. Seafloor spreading, B. Radiation transfer, C. Convection currents. Question 11. The geologic feature the red arrow is pointing to is referred to as a blank. A. Trench, B. Subduction zone, C. Volcano. Question number 12. The geologic feature the red arrow is pointing to is referred to as a blank. A. Trench, B. Subduction zone, C. Rift Valley. Question 13. The geologic feature the red arrow is pointing to is referred to as a blank. A. Volcano, B. Rift Valley, C. Mid-ocean ridge. Question number 14. What direction is the plate moving over the hotspot? A. Southeast, B. Northeast, C. Northwest. Question 15. The map shows the boundaries of tectonic plates in Northeast Africa and Saudi Arabia. The red represents the boundary. Several locations on the map are labeled. A company wants to build skyscrapers in all of these cities. Identify the 3 cities where earthquake-resistant technology would be most important in building these skyscrapers. You have options of A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Please select 3 of those here. Question 16. The cross-section below shows the direction of movement of an oceanic plate over a hotspot. This resulted in the formation of volcano islands labeled A, B, C, and D. The geologic age of C is labeled. What are the most likely geologic ages of volcanoes B and D? A. B is 8 years old and D is 15 years old. Answer B. B is 6 years old and D is 8 years old. Option C. B is 13 years old and D is 4 years old.